Welcome back to another technical video. Today we're going to be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully finding that solution you need. Guys, remember, stay just a little bit crazy, just like me, and hopefully you get through that resolution. So let's continue on. And that's it, guys. We've gone through the solutions and I'm hoping that it resolved your issue. If it did, please hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, I hope you have a good one. Cheers.